Hi, this is Ahmed Hashim, and this is the final PowerUp challenge project. And this is my solution, including two apps: one model-driven app, another Canvas app, one chatbot created by Copilot Studio, two cloud flows for notification for a new item and for a new purchase. Power BI report will be embedded inside the Canvas app, and four tables, dataverse tables, for the customer info, order summary, the show inventory, and the submitted show orders. On top of those tables, the model-driven app was created, including the data for the show orders, for the order summary, and for the show inventories. In the app, the one can edit, delete, and sort the items. So for example, I can edit here this record and change the target stock to 100 and save and close. After that, there were a Canvas app. This is my Canvas app for Soul Style, and this is a landing page. From it, any of the three persona can navigate to the store place. So the customer can filter and navigate through the items using one of those filters, and he can identify a category. So heels, athletic, loafers, flat, or whatever, and can select an item to add to the shopping list. So he will receive a notification that this item added to the cart successfully. He can see here the name and the number of the item, what is available in the stock, and if he pressed on it, he will add it to cart, and he can press on the item itself and see the more details description and more details on the item. Again, he can select between colors. So for this one, for example, if there are many items, he can select between blue and the other color one by selecting the colors. I can remove the filters, and I can use the search to select with the name. So for example, I can search for the chic flats or chic. So now if I assume I selected this, I have now three items. So I can go there, and I can see, I can go to the checkout window. I can see my items. I can remove from them whatever I don't want and add more quantity. And here, if there is a discount, like for this one, the discount will be calculated from the listed price, directly automated. And in the right side, the customer will be able to put his info and will see the summary for the invoice and write any comment if he needed. And then he can check if pay in cash, or he can remove this tick and put his credit number details if he wish. So let us test this one and put the details. So for example, I put my name and an email that will be receiving the notification, and a dummy address, and will submit the order. So once submitted, again, he will receive notifications. The customer will receive notifications successfully added, and he should now receive an email as well. Yeah. This is using the Power Automate. The customer will receive a confirmation on his purchase order with the summary and the categories he selected. So going back, if we will be imitating the other persona, the staff persona, he will use the login button and put his name as a staff and the password. And this will activate another button here for manage inventory. Once he selected manage inventory, it will open another screen with the same filters, but in different layout. So he can select a category and update it from here. So for example, for this one, I can select the quantity stock. I can restock it if it's been added, for example, to 30, and press update. So it will be updated and give me a notification here that it's been successfully updated. Again, it will send an email to the manager in this case, alarming or notifying the manager that this item was updated now. He can go check it there in the dashboard if you wish for the manager. And I can add a new item if I want. So I can give a whole new item here with the image link and with this discount, and again update it in the Dataverse. Or I have here's a button for the advanced edit that will navigate direct to the model-driven app where I can edit and add a new item here in the same way, but in the form of the table. So going back here to the Canvas app, if the manager will be login, here again we are imitating the manager login. He will put his name and his password for authentication, and he will have now the open dashboard to navigate to an embedded report inside the Canvas app, where he can see the analytics behind the data updated. So in this report, again, he has the manager has different filters to filter the data upon, and he can see the top sold categories and top sold product. So for example, if I can see here athletics is the top sold. So I can see under the athletics, the athletic sport and performance running is the top ones by the cross-filtering feature. In the below, I can see the order being submitted, and it's indicating here the details for every order, because every order, this is the summary, and by the page tooltip, I can see the details for every order. Again, I can see the trend for the sales and the locations on the map for the sales to understand my customer distribution. In below, I can use the bookmarking button to convert to a table, including my inventory updated, so I can see what items lost stock and what items with a good level of stock. And I can see here the distribution of the good stock versus low stock. So the image, again, to give me indication about the picture of this product, so I can understand what product I'm looking at. So coming to the last feature is Chatbot. From the beginning of the Canvas app, on every screen, we have the Ask Me chatbot, Soul-style chatbot, where the user can activate it and ask for help and for question. It's being trained for 5 topics as per the challenge. So we can ask a question here. The user can ask a question about the categories, for example. So I will ask, what are your product categories? And he will answer me about the available categories for the shoes in the store. I can ask, what are the payment methods, for example? And it will illustrate it's either credit card or cash. I can ask also about the delivery period. What is your delivery time? So it is 3 business days. I can ask about the loyalty program. Do you have loyalty program? So yeah, it gives me indication about the loyalty program, give me 1,000 points. I can use it as a discount, and asking me if yes or no to subscribe. Yes, please subscribe. And it confirms I subscribe to the loyalty program. And the 5th topic is about return policy. What is your return policy? And it's asking me whether it's 30 days from the order date or no. Yeah, I'm still in the 30 days, for example. So it will send me an agent to collect the item within 48 hours. So this is the chatbot, and it's available in any of the screens. The user can select it and chat with. So this is conclude my final challenge for the PowerUp. Thank you.